Do you want to sound more natural in English? Not robotic, not too slow, but fluent and confident? There's one simple technique used by polyglots, actors, and advanced learners around the world. It's called shadowing, and it might just change the way you learn forever. Part 1. What shadowing is and why it works. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating that they say in real time, trying to match their rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. It's not about perfection. It's about sensing your brain and your mouth. When you shadow, you train your ear, your tongue, and your confidence at the same time. That's why it's one of the most powerful fluency building techniques out there. Part 2. How to practice shadowing. Here's how to start, even if you've never done it before. 1. Choose a short video or audio clip under 1 minute. It could be a podcast, a TED Talk, or even your favorite movie scene. 2. Listen carefully once, just to understand the meaning. 3. Play it again and repeat immediately after the speaker, trying to match tone, emotion, and rhythm. Then listen back and compare your version with the original. You'll start noticing what sounds natural and what doesn't, and you'll fix it automatically your time. Part 3. Shadowing tips that make the difference. Start slow, clarity before speed. Focus on the intonation and connect speech. Shadow different accents: British, American, African, Australian, to become flexible. Do it daily for 10 minutes. Consistent beats, intensity. It's where your listens become speaking, and your practice becomes progress. You don't need to be born in an English-speaking country to sound natural. You just need to listen deeply, imitate bravely, and repeat consistently. Remember, fluency is built, not found. Tomás Sequesseque 105.